Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to post a photo on your Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to post photo on your Facebook, first open up your Facebook app on your phone. Meaning guys, you will be uploading a photo on your account as like you can see a post. And to do that, to post a photo on Facebook from over here, after opening your phone, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is the home icon over here. Currently we are on the home over here, and just below that icon there is small profile icon of yours. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon, the small circle, and then you'll be taken to over here on the account section of your page, where you'll be required to scroll down a little bit. There are some verifications remaining for me, but after you land over here on the post section, you will be able to upload some reels, lives and photos also. Now in order to post a photo, first you can see there is a photo icon at the right side of the post section over here. You can see just below the filters. I'm gonna tap over here, and here it says what's on your mind. Just at the right side of that line there is the photo icon. Tap on that, and over here guys you'll be required to choose a photo which you want to post on your Facebook. And to do that, tap on that photo, and you can see the next button available at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the next button, and over here guys, before you post it directly to your account, you can use some of the effects over here. You can see there are bubbles, there are hearts, there are some 3D effects there that can be applied to your photo. And let's cancel this. And there are always some filters also. You can try out some filters to make your photo look good, and I'll be just using none. And after that guys, after uploading your photo and applying some effects, you will be able to write some text over here at the top of the screen, or the top of the post, just below your profile picture icon. Type or write anything which you want the audience to know why are you posting this photo. And after that, you can see guys, you can tag somebody. There are emoticons as well over here, and that's on you. And with that being said guys, after you have written something, hey there, this will be my music notations or music planning. This is my music planning. And with that being done guys, after writing your text over here, at the top of the screen you can see there is the next button available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that next button, and over here guys, you can see you will be able to choose who can see your post. Either you want the public to see your photo or not, or just your friends or only you. You can choose it over here, and you can see there are scheduling options, sharing to Facebook groups options, or you can just boost that post if you're on the professional mode. And with that being said guys, after you go through this, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the post icon available for us. Tap on that post icon, and your photo will be posted on your Facebook momentarily. And with that being said guys, this is how you post photos on your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.